Girl and HB back, and today we are going to be erupting this tiny volcano.
Yes, we're going to be erupting
tiny volcano using the
kitchen science.
Kitchen Science.
Yes.
So right now I'm actually trying to get 2 teaspoons of baking soda. It's not coming out that well.
Yeah. So what you need is a tray, which we have a cardboard tray.
Okay.
Baking soda,
So
vinegar,
what we will be using
soap,
is we will be using baking soda. We will be using this red dye. We will be using this vinegar, and we will be using some Dawn dish soap or some washing liquid as it states on there.
Yep.
So let's break that.
We need to do this quickly.
Sorry, I'm trying to, but it's really hard to get this baking soda out.
Oh my god.
That's 1 teaspoon.
So we gotta put it, there's a little hole in that volcano. Oh my god, I can't wait to see this. Oops.
Okay. So, I don't know how we're going to be able to fit 2 teaspoons. I don't think we're fitting 2 teaspoons of that in there. Are you sure it says 2 teaspoons?
Put 2 teaspoons full of baking soda into the volcano.
How though?
And then the vinegar,
The vinegar goes in last, right?
wait. Yeah.
The vinegar goes in last.
And then we have to have the
So-
soap and then the,
I don't even know how we're supposed to fit all this in.
just do another one. Just do another one.
I'm gonna power it down. Okay.
And I'm gonna just
So now we have to.
add our next baking soda.
Oh,
Oh,
too
God.
much.
Too much.
Yeah, I will never complain that it's coming out too slow again.
Europe should never complain.
Between you and me, you probably will.
Yep, between you and me, she probably will.
Oh, we're making such a mess. Luckily, we have this tray.
Yes. Yes, we do. Oh, rather not the fix then.
Okay.
Sorry guys, I don't know what's up on my screen. It's just doing something. Yeah, I don't know.
It does not fit in the flippin' volcano.
I think we have a defective volcano.
Let's take out a little bit of that.
Yeah, I think we have a defective volcano.
I'm gonna take out a little bit of the.
Yeah, let's take a little bit out of that. Gosh, if it doesn't fit, just take a little bit out of it because I think you have a defective volcano.
Unless your guys is bigger than ours.
Which,
I don't know. We have a really tiny volcano. We have a lot of baking soda right here. I'm gonna move that off to the side.
okay. After that, add a few drops of the wash liquid and red food coloring.
Wait, a couple drops. We aren't using red food coloring. We're using dye because we don't have any food coloring. So just a couple
You're not
drops.
eating it because it's so. Yes, just say a few drops.
Should be enough.
That's good. Look, that's good.
Don't do this without parents' permission.
Please.
Just add a couple drops. Oh, what? Cap on it. There's a cap on it.
Is it happening?
Yeah. Yeah, I know that.
Come on now. Look out there. It looks like blood. That's sad.
I know.
Okay, I think yeah, 2 drops.
Reminds me of the time that I fell on the playground one time at school. Not on the playground, on the blacktop one time at school. And, you know, didn't come out too well.
Yes, there's
I ripped my pants. I ripped the whole knee of my pants. Okay, now what do we gotta do? Do we need the little spoon?
Okay,
Alright,
guys.
so now we can do that to add the vinegar. This is gonna make
Slowly
it go.
pour the teaspoon of vinegar and watch the bubbly lava.
Okay, so we're gonna get. Okay, this is where it gets exciting. I'm gonna move this. Oh, this vinegar smells.
So I'm gonna do it like this, guys, so that you can kind of see the volcano.
We might not be able to put like a whole teaspoon in, but
Ooh, slowly it says.
a little too much.
Okay. Now, okay, we do this. Just slowly.
I can't get it in.
Okay, that's good. Guys, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Now pour it in slowly. Maybe because we didn't have enough vinegar. Add more vinegar. I mean baking soda and just baking soda on the table. And we didn't add enough food coloring either.
Yeah.
More. Yes.
Yeah, you guys don't do it like we are. We're kind of bad at this. It didn't work. Well, it kind of worked.
It worked. It just didn't have that.
I think we can actually do it again. I think we just need more soap. Because look, we still have all the ingredients in.
Yep, we just need a little bit.
We're gonna need more food coloring.
And vinegar.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need a lot more food coloring.
That's that. And add some more food coloring. Not food coloring, but dye.
Yes, guys. Yeah, that's good. That is good.
Okay, let's try this again.
Okay,
Let's hope
guys.
this time it erupts, actually.
It's kind of erupting on the other side. We need more.
It didn't.
We need more baking soda. That's why.
No, there's plenty of baking soda in there.
Well, apparently, I didn't think there was.
Look, there's plenty. Don't tell me there's not baking soda in there.
That looks like it. Yeah. Well, I'd add a little more, and we're just gonna try. Just add the stuff that's in it. Just add almost the rest of it on. More food coloring. Yeah, it kind of like
It's not like the best volcano, but like you get the option. Like you get the thing. This will actually be a part 1. We might actually be doing a couple more experiments. So
stay tuned.
yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Now, let's see if this works this time.
Hopefully it does.
If it doesn't, guys, then
we got it effective.
we got
Okay. Little too much.
Sounds like soda. I'll slowly pour it in.
I don't feel like doing it. Okay, that's actually what it's supposed to do, I guess. Not sure why we needed all that. Like, look at my hands. They're all red. I don't know why. I did all that just for that.
Yeah.
Oops.
That might stay in there. I'd probably run towards the sink because that might stain that. But
Stain what? It won't stain this. So, thank you guys for watching. I mean, like, I can't get over my hands.
Okay,
Like,
so
that was like the weakest. Bye. Thanks for watching.
bye, guys.
I'm washing my hands.
And
Probably should have worn gloves.